peaceful and divine morning to you, my dear brothers and sisters. When we look at someone, and if that look is with compassion, with love, with acceptance, and moreover, that look of forgiveness, it captures the attention of the one who looks at us. This is what is really happening in today's gospel, taken from Mark chapter 2, verses 13 to 17. Here we read, "At the time, Jesus went out again beside the lake, and all the crowd was coming to him, and he was teaching them. And as he passed by, he saw Levi, the son of Alphaeus, sitting at the tax booth, and he said to him, 'Follow me.' And he rose and followed him." Dear friends, Jesus dared to be different. He dared to be different in loving a tax collector whom the society rejected. He dared to be different in touching and healing a leper who was considered as an outcast of the society. And he dares to be different in loving you and me. Jesus dared to be different in looking at Levi, who was known as a tax collector. The priest of that time, they rejected a tax collector. A tax collector was considered as a sinner. But Jesus dared to be different in loving the sinners. That is what you and me, we are invited today to be different from the others. When Levi saw the acceptance, the loving, the forgiveness look of Jesus, immediately he followed Jesus. He did not think of anything. Today, you and me, we are needed to be different in our communities, in our families, in our society at large. To be different in our communities where we find a person who is intolerable, a person who lacks love in his or her life, a person who feels rejected. And when we give him or her a human touch that would make him or her change of the whole life. Today you and me are called to be different. Different in our emotions, different in our actions, and above all, different in our relationship with God. Like Jesus, whose look penetrated the heart of Levi. When we look at others, let it penetrate the heart of the sick, the heart of the marginalized, the heart of those who are depressed, the heart of those who are oppressed, who feel rejected, dejected, and lonely in the communities, families, and the society. May the love of Jesus penetrate you and me, and may help us to be different wherever we are. May the divine hands of God bless us all. Thank you and have a nice day.